Welcome back to Can You Beat Fallout 4 with only a Gauss rifle. That's it. Um, we were trading last time. An enamel bucket I should get rid of because it's only got 2 steel for like five 5 pounds because it's like it's a weird thing because it's like 5 pounds, but it's like okay, so it actually is pounds, but oh, what's this? I don't.
Easy living? This ain't.
Hi.
Lost track of how many blisters I got.
Excuse me.
If you ain't been up to see Grey Garden, you should go.
Hey
Whole
there.
Place
You hear
is
about
run
that
by
farm
robots.
run by ghouls? Isn't that something?
I wish that these guys saying things would like trigger like map locations just like the Diamond City security will, you know? Oh well.
We had a deal, Trudy. Hand over the goods. You owe us.
I ain't giving you poison shilling
Whoa,
chem
whoa,
pushes
easy
anything.
there, Vault
Do you know
boy.
what that
This
junk has
doesn't-
done to my
that's
boy?
right. Walk away.
I'm not gonna I'm gonna try one time. Nope. Alright, hopefully this house is safe. I'm going to save now because I haven't saved in a while. If it's not safe.
Should take care of you. Just make sure to keep an eye on it. And come
Alright, I'm
see
gonna
me.
try this.
Doesn't get any better. What the?
Just to make sure that it wasn't breaking. The game wasn't broken. I think that I'm gonna need to like do that even more when I get the Gauss rifle, and then it's like this is actually gonna be a different random encounter. That would be horrible.
That should take care of you. Don't mention it.
Hey there.
It's better
I
to
can
know.
patch you up if you need it.
Thanks for your help, Doc.
Right. Actually, I need some support.
Let's see what I.
Oh, I can sell my ammo. I don't need shot. Yeah, I don't need shotgun shells or 10 millimeter, but I might need 38 because it's like settlers are very expensive with that kind of stuff, and it's like I can just like I shouldn't have sold all that. Oh well. Because it's like I should have got my money's worth, but oh well. Organizing my inventory a teensy bit is what it's doing with that. Wait, I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. I needed to go up here. Yep, there's Grotsky Cabin. This is the Gunner Highway. Dead Gunner. Wait, isn't there? Oh no, wait. Where did that Yaogwai come from? I don't remember there ever being Yaogwai this way.
Excuse me.
I buy and sell. Just put up everything.
Uh-huh. Let's see what you got.
I can get rid of the shotgun. I can come down here and there we go. Who's Clint? Oh, that's Dog Boy. Oh wait, no, that's not.
Huh?
Hi there.
Hello.
I wish that like you could speak with them like Oh well. Now I need to get like the persuasive dialogue thing and then I think that there's a way to like screw up the Codsworth dialogue, but I don't know. It doesn't matter. Alright, so I need to come up. I wanted to get the 1 health per hour or per minute. I can't remember what it is. So it's like you wait 3 minutes, you get 3 health back, or maybe it's 10 health per minute. You know, it kind of goes well with the Miss Nanny perk. I don't remember. Drug robots. I can do that real quick. Oh, this is gonna take a while.
I'm through.
There we go. Alright, and now I need to go this way. I could clear out the place with the Mr. Handy. Or Mr. Groovy, or Mr. Feelgoods. Stuff to sell for later. Corn. Granted, it's wild corn, which is like... Oh, right, I need to get the, most important thing. I should see about getting the farming the waste as well, because I think that that gives like twice the, crops. But there we go. And now I need to get going very soon here. Mr. Dr. Feelgoods. Or is it Professor Feelgoods? Yeah. Fortunately, I think he's got a... Wait, he doesn't have a way of attacking. Wait, what killed it? A teensy bit. Oh man, isn't there a way to de-aggro them? Corn.
There we go.
Wait. No. Haha! I did it. Alright, I'm gonna discover the chapel. I do need to get going here somewhat soon. Fusion core will let me... Yes.
What the?
It's okay, I'm not here to hurt you, I'm just here to grab your fusion core that you're not really using too much. It's only lighting up a spot that's very close to it. I like that, I do like that, random encounter with the, tire barrels. Alright, this is not a safe-ish place. For humans. Who cannot defend themselves. Inventory, apparel, leather, left arm. And now I am basically indestructible. how close am I to my next perk? I need to get to the Boston Police Department at some point, but I think I'm gonna... Alright, so then I need to go down to Fiddler's Green Trailer Estates. I still need to decide who I'm going to side with. And stuff like that, but... I should be, grabbing some water, but oh well. I don't want to, like, go super far ahead. Oh, there we go. Oh, I forgot to grab the, perk. Scrounger. I forgot to get the perk magazine, oh well. Oh, here's some water. They do not like me. I will go away from their water. Alright. Now I need to go to Ghoul Plaza. I wish that there was Ghoul Plaza. I wish that there was, like, more interesting settlements and... Oh, I hope that that... What is that? I don't see it, whatever it is. Oh, it was just a ghoul. Okay. I think that there's a ghoul somewhere around here that's, you know, you don't want to have die because it clears the settlement, or it clears the, location, and cleared locations you can't. And this location being cleared is, worthy of bugging the game. If you can get 3 of them, like, you can, prevent Preston Garvey from ever speaking to you again. But, well, not really, but, like, you know, only barely. So it's like, if anyone wants to, well, prevent Preston Garvey from ever speaking with them again, you know, without doing the Nuka World, like, this is the way you get it to, like, trigger, like, the 3 times, because I think that, like, there's only 3 quests that can, 3 of the, Minutemen quests that can be available at once. Yeah, sometimes the explosion will happen, sometimes it won't. It's just super weird to me. Alright.
Hell yeah.
Okay, that was close. Now I need to hit up Bunker Hill before I go anywhere else. Technically, I could also hit up the USS Riptide. Might also not be a bad idea, but I'm not going to do that. Oh, I forgot to check okay, good, it's not cleared. Yeah, you want to be very careful about clearing it before it unloads, if you want the game to not bug. Finally, a thing to cook with. I'm not sure if it's better to have, like... Wait, is it grilled rad roach? I think that regular rad roach and, like, grilled rad... Regular rad roach gives 10. I think the grilled rad roach gives... Yeah, so it's just like, you don't have to eat all 3 at once type of a thing. But mutton chops, that, like, increases it a ton. Yep, there we go. That's good enough for me.
Hey, Scava, let's trade.
I'll take a look, sure.
Ooh, 26 cents for a sweet roll. Or 26 cents. 26 caps. It's expensive. Oh, a leather chest piece. I don't need anything from you, but I can grab that leather chest piece and put it on. Yep. Basically indestructible. Alright, I can sell.
Best scrap in the Commonwealth right here.
Let's see what you got.
Alright, so I'm going to sell the chems, the buff. The medics. The mentats. He's only got enough for a little bit. Okay, well that's good enough for me. I'll take that because that will be useful. There's the Boston mayoral bunker that like you could hit up as well, but I'm not gonna hit that up. Although I do want to hit it up because it is a useful place to hit up. Oh man, I just remembered. I remembered that that was the that way there are sometimes super mutants. There's a random encounter, and it's like sometimes it's a peaceful random encounter. You know, there's a few spots where there's only like violent random encounter or hostile random encounters, but you know, when there's a peaceful random encounter, you take it. I think that that way is always. But yeah, I need to get to Diamond City. I don't care about that random encounter. Even though it's like, yeah, on the other side of this hill, I think that there's like there's a Biaguai on the other side, but like, then there you have like a, alright, so I need to get to a place close-ish to Diamond City. I want to get to Diamond City halfway discovered. I wish that that Brahmin had something in it.
Need a healthy way to start your child's day? You need Sugar Bomb's breakfast cereal. With the explosive taste.
Alright. When I get to Diamond City, I'm gonna call it. That reminds me, it's like I'm like, this way is like super safe. It's like, oh, I need to get the fern flowers because those are useful for the one guy because you can sell them. And selling is good. That's enough for me. I forgot to discover the police department as well. The closest place I've discovered is, yeah, basically everywhere. I think that the easiest way to get there would be from, the north, though. Now, if I had a Gauss rifle, I'd just go straight there. But I'll discover the police department when, Alright, so I can go straight to Diamond City now, or I can keep following the train tracks, which will also take me straight to Diamond City. A bit better, I'd say, the train tracks would take me. A bit better, I'd say, that the train tracks would take me to Diamond City. Actually, I don't think I've actually followed the train tracks all the way down to the Glowing Sea. There's a train bridge somewhere that goes over the river. Oh no, the train tracks just go by the river, right? They don't go over the river. I thought that they went over the river. Some art versus art. Oh, that's not good. Now we're almost to where I need to get to. Oh, I'm so dead. Alright, getting to good neighbor would also be not that bad of an idea.
Where'd that little fucker go?
Oh, this was not a good idea.
Let's do this.
I can't help him. At least that turret isn't hitting me.
Guess my good karma's paying off.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Mr. Security Guard, why do you have such a low perception?
Me.
Like, I mean, like, I get that, like, there's a bunch of junkyard dogs right there, but that have been treated horribly or something, but come on. Alright, No, from here you go to the police precinct 8. No, the easiest way now is from the south, I think. Because it's like, yeah, the south is the easiest way to get to the police station. I don't know if it's the peacefulest, but certainly the quickest. I don't know why my frame rate is dropping so much. There we go. Alright, I need to call it very soon, otherwise it's gonna keep going. There's a safe way to get to Good Neighbor from here that I've discovered.
No green stuff here.
Sort of. So you go... Like, there's a chance that those super mutants are going to be there, but, like... Yeah. Oh, you don't go that way. Whatever you do, you don't go that way. I can Bunker Hill is somewhere. I see the old North Church. I don't. Oh well, we need to get to Bunker Hill.
Fuck was that?
And then you go this way to get to Good Neighbor. After you get mass fusion.
Area's off limits.
Good thing I don't care about your area.
You're dead!
Sometimes they'll not care when you go through there, which is interesting. Oh, it didn't discover Good Neighbor. Oh well. We discovered the old corner bookstore where... Ooh, I don't remember ever going into the old corner bookstore. Now for one of the most dangerous ways to go to get to Bunker Hill, especially with lag. Oh wait, no, that's the old North Church, and then like on the other. Alright, so Soon here, this is gonna be it for me though. Alright, I'm gonna actually call it right here and